Alright, I'm a little further over now, almost there, but I wanted to stop one more time to take a look at Tower 3, 3 World Trade Center. So yep, 3 World Trade Center is officially starting to appear in the downtown Manhattan skyline. Here's just one more look at 1, 3, and 4 World Trade Center. Here we are, Brooklyn Bridge Park. Here is 1, 3, and 4 World Trade Center. 3 World Trade Center can now be seen from Brooklyn Bridge Park. Truly amazing progress. And then once Tower 2 starts, it'll be right here in front of 1 World Trade Center. Right here you can see a little bit of Tower 3 steel. Alright, I'm on the pier. There's 7, 1, 3, and 4 World Trade Center.
Yeah.
You can just start to see Tower 3 from here. Here's the Empire State Building.
Now we're comparing.
Alright, so you can start to see Tower 3's crane from here, but you still can't see the actual tower yet. So that's Tower 3's crane. And it will continue to rise. Alright everybody, that's all the time I have for today. So this is going to be the end of this update. Be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the towers and the progress. If you have any questions to ask, please ask them, I will get back to you. And most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this update. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.